Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make delicious homemade tacos using Taco Bell seasoning. It's easy, quick, and guaranteed to satisfy your taco cravings. Let's dive into the ingredients. Here's what you'll need: ground beef, or any protein of your choice; Taco Bell seasoning mix; taco shells, hard or soft, your preference; shredded lettuce; diced tomatoes; diced onions; shredded cheese, cheddar or Mexican blend; sour cream; salsa, optional; guacamole, optional; chopped cilantro; lime wedges for garnish. Now that we have everything ready, let's get cooking. Step 1. In a skillet over medium heat, brown the ground beef until it's fully cooked and crumbled. Drain any excess fat if needed. Step 2. Add the Taco Bell seasoning mix to the cooked ground beef. Follow the instructions on the packet for the perfect seasoning. Step 3. Let the seasoned beef simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Step 4. While the beef is simmering, prepare your taco shells and gather your desired toppings. Step 5. Once the beef is ready, it's time to assemble your tacos. Start by spooning the seasoned beef into each taco shell. Step 6. Next, add your favorite toppings. We'll start with shredded lettuce, followed by diced tomatoes and onions, and of course, don't forget the shredded cheese. Step 7. Finish off your tacos with a dollop of sour cream and any additional toppings you desire, such as salsa, guacamole, chopped cilantro, or a squeeze of lime. And there you have it, homemade tacos with Taco Bell seasoning, ready to be devoured. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today. We hope you enjoy making and eating these delicious tacos as much as we do. Until next time, happy cooking.